Easy English practice.
Hey, are you excited about the Christmas event next week? I can't believe it's almost here.
I know, right? I'm really looking forward to it. What are you most excited about?
Definitely the Christmas lights. Last year, the decorations were stunning. I can't wait to see what they've done this time.
Same. And the hot cocoa stand is my favorite part. Nothing beats a warm drink while walking around and looking at the lights.
Absolutely. And I heard they're having a live band this year. It'll be great to listen to some holiday music while we're there.
That sounds amazing. Do you think we should make a plan to meet up with some other friends? It would be fun to have a big group.
Great idea. I can invite a few people. The more, the merrier. Plus, we can take lots of pictures together.
Yes, I love capturing all those moments. Should we also bring some snacks to share while we're enjoying the festivities?
Definitely. I can bake some cookies. Everyone loves Christmas cookies, right?
Perfect. I'll bring some festive treats too. This is going to be such a fun night.
I can't wait. It's going to be the best Christmas event yet.
This is going to be such a good day. Let's go make some memories. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.